The Prime Minister said the decision also gave justice to all the 298 victims, including 43 Malaysians who perished in the tragedy, as well as to their families and the next of kin.
Malaysia sentiasa berpendirian bahawa perbicaraan yang dijalankan mestilah berlandaskan kepada kebenaran, keadilan serta penuh tanggungjawab. Dalam hubungan ini, Malaysia menyokong keputusan yang telah dibuat oleh Mahkamah The Hague pada hari ini. Malaysia juga berpuas hati terhadap proses penghakiman yang boleh dipercayai dan telus yang dilaksanakan dalam sistem perundangan Belanda berdasarkan kedaulatan undang-undang demi mendapatkan keadilan yang telah lama dinanti-nantikan.
He said this at a press conference after attending the meet and greet program with residents of Bandar 32 on Friday. Malaysia, on behalf of the parties affected by the tragedy, also expressed appreciation to the joint investigation team comprising the Netherlands, Australia, Belgium and Ukraine, who had worked tirelessly in investigating the MH17 disaster. Ismail Sabri also expressed sympathy and condolences to the families of the victims and crew members of MH17. It is hoped that the court's decision will give some relief and peace to the families of the victims who perished in the tragedy.